I'm unboxing this Paula Deen air fryer. I'm trying to air fryer for the first time, and this is a 9.5 quart 1700 watt. I chose this model because it has ceramic coating. Alright, the only thing it comes with is a manual, 1-year warranty. Pull the plastic off. It's got a nice stainless steel finish, stainless steel handle. It's got your temperature and a 60-minute timer, and it has a guide for temperatures. I'm gonna take this to the kitchen and set it up on the counter and see how it looks. Gotta take these side things off, tapes. This is the tray. This one's wedged in there. I just washed this with soap and water, and now it's all cleaned up. For the cooking insert, I took these little rubbers off because it makes the tray hard to go in and out. I'm not sure if you're supposed to take them off, but I took them off. And you just throw your insert in the bottom and good to go. Cooking rack fits in there, so I could put something underneath it, some veggies or something, and then also put something on top. But yeah, this rack, it's a 10.5-inch rack, and it's the size that fits in this one. I normally cook this chicken in my oven, but this should use a lot less electricity, and it will hold all the chicken as well. So instead of running my oven for an hour and 15 minutes, I can just place all the chicken in here, and it's supposed to make the chicken juicier as well as cook it faster. So I guess I'll find out now if it cooks faster or not. Let's go in there. Oh, there it goes. You just gotta push it until it clicks. And what's the chicken temperature? It says meat 400 degrees. So I'll turn this to 400. As high as it goes. And then timer. I'll just do 60 minutes. And that's the most it goes. I'll spray my cooking grid with olive oil. I have it in a oil sprayer. Alright, it's been running for about half an hour. The front isn't really hot. You can actually touch it. The side's not hot. The handle is cool. And it blows hot air out the back from that vent, so you want to keep it far enough away from the wall. I'm gonna check the chicken right now, see how it's doing. I set it for 60 minutes, so it's been a little over 30 minutes, so we'll pull it open right now. This is how the chicken's looking right now. And we'll check it with a thermometer because it looks like it could be done. We'll probably let it go 40 minutes, so I'll let it go another 10 minutes. It shuts off when you pull it out, so when you push back in, it will turn back on. So, there it goes. About 10 minutes left, so it's been in there 50 minutes now. It's for sure done. I probably should have took it out at 40 minutes, but I lost track of time. It's still, the skin is extra crispy, but the chicken itself still is juicy. So leg quarters would take 40 minutes. Cooks it a lot faster than my oven. My oven, I have to do 40 minutes, or for my oven I usually do 45 minutes per side. And it doesn't cook this well then. So this thing cooks way faster. It also uses less electricity since I don't have to run my big oven. So it seems like a really good investment as long as this thing holds up. And this is a ceramic coated model. So it should be pretty easy to clean.